In today's video, we're gonna make air fryer chicken bites. They're juicy, delicious, bite size. You're gonna love them. So here I have 2 chicken breasts. The first thing I'm gonna do today is cut them into bite-sized pieces. And to do that, I'm gonna take some paper towels and pat them dry so the seasoning adheres well to the chicken breast. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. So I'm gonna cut each breast into 3 vertical pieces. And once I have a vertical piece, I'm gonna cube it. So you want them about this size. The next step is to season these chicken pieces. I'm going to use a medium-sized bowl where I can fit all my pieces in and add the seasoning. In my bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna season these with a little bit of paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Then I'm gonna mix this up really well. And then I'm gonna add my chicken pieces into my bowl. I'm gonna mix to coat these really well with the seasoning. The olive oil here is what helps the seasonings adhere to the chicken breast and coat it really well. And once all your pieces are coated, you're ready to go. You also wanna preheat your air fryer for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna preheat it to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And you do that so when you stick the chicken in your basket, the basket is nice and hot and it starts searing and cooking right away. So let's add these chicken pieces into my hot basket. So I'm gonna use some kitchen tongs to take my chicken pieces and place them in my basket. You wanna make sure that as you place them, you leave enough room between each piece and you put them in a single layer. If your air fryer is about this size, you'll probably have to do this in 2 batches. I'm gonna cook these for 10 to 12 minutes, stopping halfway through to give the basket a good shake to flip the pieces over. After 10 minutes, I like to check for the temperature to be 165 Fahrenheit. I simply take the biggest piece, poke it through the middle, and check. So these are ready. I'm going to take them out of the air fryer and plate them. So juicy, they taste delicious. Grab everything you need to make these right below this video. See you next time.